So thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. My name's Austin. You can tell that I'm actually not in my studio. I'm in my truck. I'm recording these videos for you because I'm actually waiting on my son. He is practicing lacrosse, but that's my dedication. That's my dedication to creating content for you, and frankly, Clear's dedication to creating content for you. We want to keep you informed of what is going on out there in the marketplace here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. And this is what's interesting is that depending on when you're watching this video, we have a momentous scenario playing out. Shiba Inu is launching their game Shiba Eternity on October 6th. So depending upon when you're seeing this video, it's either already launched or or it may be in the process of being launched. But the interesting thing about it is irrelevant of when you're watching this. It is the fact that we have an interesting scenario playing out where the burn rate is spiked over 1,017% ahead of the official launch. And so October 6th is or was the official launch, again, depending upon you're watching this video, known as download day. And so what Shiba Inu, the dev team, have done is they've come out to the 1.2 million plus Shiba Inu token holders, and they said, hey, look, on October 6th, we want you to go to Apple or Google, whichever phone you use. I happen to be an Apple guy myself, and we want you to download Shiba Eternity so that it will kick into the Apple game download algorithm, if you will. The fact that this is a highly downloaded game, and it will help move Shiba Eternity up into the Apple algorithm or the Google algorithm so that it's presenting this game as a trending game and more people will find it and all that kind of stuff. So in that capacity, this is, again, the game has been in development for over a year, okay? Millions of dollars. We don't know the exact amount of budget that it cost, but I guarantee you it was probably millions and millions of dollars. But we had a burn rate scenario that I don't think anybody was really expecting, is that the burn rate has gone up 1,017%, kind of in anticipation and as part of this 24-hour period that happened before the download. And that's really interesting. I don't think anybody was really looking at this. And again, I think this speaks to kind of the community, right? This speaks to the community involvement, the community caring, and the community initiative of wanting to help in any way, shape, form, or fashion. These are community burns. By the way, on a different note, we're going to have burns coming out of Shiba Eternity, this video game, wherein the devs have told us that 5% of the revenue, the profit of the money made and generated through Shiba Eternity, the game, is going to be burned. Okay, so they're going to basically take 5% of that profit. They're going to then turn around and buy Shiba Inu tokens, and they're going to burn them and send them to the dead wallet. So that's very, very good, right? Okay. So with that said, I just wanted you to be aware that this download day scenario is playing out, and we had this really interesting kind of anomaly here of this burn rate spiking over 1,000+%. But as always, I appreciate you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. By the way, links in the description below to all of ClearCryptos socials, including their Discord. I highly recommend you get involved in that. Their Instagram, their Twitter, all that stuff. Check it out. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Take care.